Hello from Makadi Bay, more specifically from Makadi Palace Beach. It is day 4 of my Egypt vacation on this 15th of February 2024, and I'm finally exploring the beach that's in front of the hotel, as in the previous day I was walking around and checking out different spots, not so far away from here, but still. Today I decided to check it out here, the beach, Makadi Palace, and it is 4 p.m. The sunset will set in about 1.5 hours. Here maybe even earlier than that, but this is how the beach looks like. Lots of empty free sunbeds as it is off season here in Egypt. And let's check out how is the sea. This is my sunbed for this time, right in front of the sea, and we have yellow flag today. Here it is a bit, there are lots of rocks here into the entry, so that's why I have my water shoes on today. So let's see, it's been a while since I was here snorkeling here. I don't remember if there are nice coral reefs over here, but yes, at the entrance it's very hard to go without water shoes over here. And it's actually second time I'm using the water shoes, as the places where I have been before, it's mostly sandy, so it's not needed indeed. So here there is a sign that's entrance, that's called entrance, and it's very shallow for around 100 meters here before you go in. And this is how the beach looks like from the water. And as I mentioned, it is yellow flag, which means it's good to go, as there is basically no wind here today compared to the day before. Especially 2 days ago, it was super windy as such. And yes, let's then continue walking here at the Makadi Palace beach. So each of the hotels here have their own beach where you can chill at the sunbed for free. It's included, part of the all-inclusive deal, of course. And all of the hotels basically are out on the sea, and then you can explore and enjoy in the coral reefs here in Egypt. So this is the place where you need to walk a lot to get into swimming position. As I was walking down by in the previous episodes, you've seen it's basically just to dive in from the shore, and then there is a coral reef over there. You can see also the jet from here that now has also red flag, because you can snorkel there until 4 p.m. and it's almost 4 p.m. now. So yes. Cool, so day 4, time flies indeed. I'm almost halfway through the vacation, and it's so nice and beautiful here indeed, especially the snorkeling part. I love it, but also the all-inclusive part in the hotel. I had 3 cocktails yesterday and the night before. Yesterday I had a mojito, Cuba Libre and pina colada, very tasty. And there was like show in the evening with very good singers. It was a duo, a boy and a girl, and they were singing so amazing indeed. Anyway, I'm still walking and walking. See how the beach looks like from here also, with all the palm trees. Still walking. Hopefully this walk is worth it, as I believe they have been navigating towards the coral reef. And as it is off season, not so many people are here. Basically most of the sunbeds were empty. I actually got one right in the front to the water, which is highly unlikely if you come here during the high season, I believe. Very shallow, still very shallow. It's gonna be a long episode of me walking. Maybe I should divide it in 2 pieces. it up. Let's see if this trick is perfect. Okay, now we're getting a bit more depth. So yes, the water shoes that I got are doing their job. Yes, I can walk now actually faster than without them. As there are some pointy edges on some of the rocks here. And let's enjoy the wonderful view over Makadi Bay. And the sunset that will be pending in about 1 hour and 20 minutes now. Okay, I think now we are deep enough to go, and I already spotted some fish below now, so let's then enjoy and get ready for a dive and snorkeling adventure with Chris here